Hey everyone, it's me, Callum from CIR Inventions, and recently me and a bunch of my friends through online school had a Rube Goldberg project for our engineering class. Now the people who all did it were me, Jack, Shashank, and Ian, but I only got videos from me, of course, Jack, and Shashank, so that's what I'll be showing off today. So basically, our assignment was we had to build a Rube Goldberg that had at least 7 steps and one thing that flies, and this is what we came up with. It wasn't too terribly hard of a project, I just wanted to show it off because, at least for me, I spent a whole afternoon building the thing and it took forever to get right. So I figured, we all three of us put all this effort and time into making these machines, may as well show it off. So without further ado, this is Shashank's machine.
Let's go!
Now if you watch Shashank's, here's Jack's. And last but not least, the best one, mine, of course. I might be a little biased. Alright. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I haven't had a lot of time recently, and I figured I'd just post these Rube Goldbergs. So, yeah, more regular content coming soon. Maybe we'll probably be building more Rube Goldbergs in the future, but for today, this is all I got. I'm Callum from CIR Inventions, and I will see you guys in the next video.